Hello everybody! In this video, we will learn how to make a beautiful carpet with H18, a foundation based in Cape Town. H18 is an inspired organization that tries to provide employment opportunities to women with socioeconomic difficulties. In here, Grace, the artisan, will teach us how to knit simply. Grace isn't only a loving mother, but also an empowered woman that wants to set her own upcycling business in the near future.
My name is Grace Harawa. I'm a Malawian lady. I came here in South Africa. It was on 2016. Since I came here, I've been working here all this long time. We are making mats. It's 80 centimeters in length and in width is 50 centimeters. So this is how I'm making mats. I'm starting making a mat now. First, I'm starting with the wall, and I put my hook to start a chain before I go on. So this is how we are starting a chain. I want to make a chain with 26 stitches up to 26. This is a chain now. I'm putting in my hook, see, and pull over like this. See, I've started now making my mat. See, here is the corner where I started. So if I missed here, then I'm turning back like this. Here, then turn it like this. Then you start it again up to the corner. Here again, the same way, going back again, pull in and pull off like this, pull in and pull off. You see how my mix is about to finish now. I'm taking 1 hour and 10 minutes to finish this mix. If I finish one line, then I'll close it. This is how I close my mix now. See, I'm cutting here like this. Then I'm pulling it out this one. Then I'm pulling here, putting my hook. See here, can't see this material here because it's high knees. I'm putting inside the other. I'm almost finished now. I'm finished. This is the mess that I've made it. This is how the mess must be looking when I'm making like this.